Hello. Um, this is my 2007 Audi A3 Sportsback 2.0 FSI engine, and I am replacing this coolant connector that's originally from here, because this tends to snap. Part number is that. So what I did was, before I disconnected all of this, I drained some of the coolant, not all of it. I opened the reservoir, and then after I opened the reservoir, I followed this connection here, just right off the radiator here, the first T connection here. There's one hose down there that leads all the way to the bottom of the car, and now you're gonna have to remove the protective covering underneath the car. And then when you go underneath the car, just in the center here, you will see this bump here. And then what you want to do is just remove this hose here completely. You might want to remove it gently, because depending on how old your car is, it could be really brittle, or it could snap on you, and then you have to replace this pump. Or I don't even know if it's a pump. Anyway, drain this completely, and that should drain what's on top there, so you're not gonna have coolant everywhere. But it's not gonna drain all your coolant. It's just gonna drain good enough so you can replace that part. So after I drain that coolant, I go back up here, and then I unhook these two, because this is originally like that. So I unhook this here, this connector, that connector. This is already unhooked, because this is the one that snapped. That's the, apparently those are very brittle. So, and then leave the bottom one unhooked last, because you will have coolant still in there, as you can see. But it's not gonna go everywhere, because you already drained the top end of your coolant, which is here. So you're not gonna have any coolant everywhere, and you don't have to flush your radiator and replace the coolant. I hope this helps someone, because there's not a lot of A3 FSI videos out there, and I'm trying to figure this out as I go. Thanks guys for watching, and like and subscribe if this helps you. Peace.